Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add column in a table. Here you can see I have a table student, right? And in the table, I have a student ID, name, email, and result. Let's say I want to add one more column, and that is student phone number. So how you can actually add column? So to add a column, you have to use alter, then the table, and then table name. So you can actually use let's say I want to use capital letter here. So order table, and then table name is, we know, students. All right, and I want to say that, okay, I want to add the column name, student underscore phone, let's say. And then we have to give a type, I mean a data type. So phone number can be varchar, I mean phone number can contain character also, right? So combination of character, it means string, so we have to use here varchar. So I will say here varchar or varchar, let's say 255, and now it's okay. Now let's click here this lightning sign, and here you can see alter table student. Okay, now let's say I want to show I want to actually check that if added or not. So I will say select all from the table. So I will say the table name is students. All right, and if I click on here, you can see, yes, student phone added, right? So this is how you can actually add column in your table.